Hello everyone, welcome back to EnglishWaves.
If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps our channel grow and brings you more fun English lessons every day.
Yes, subscribe and join our 30-day English speaking challenge. We practice English together, step by step.
That's right. Today is day 8, and our topic is hobbies and free time activities, things we love to do when we are not working or studying.
Oh, that sounds fun. I like talking about hobbies.
Great, let's begin.
Target 1. What are hobbies? First question, Jillian. What is a hobby?
A hobby is something we like to do in our free time.
Perfect! A hobby is something you enjoy, for fun, for relaxation, or for learning.
Like playing games or drawing pictures?
Exactly. Or reading books, cooking, running, or listening to music.
Oh, I love music.
That's a great hobby. Target 2. Common hobbies vocabulary. Let's learn some common hobbies. Repeat after me. Reading.
Reading.
Playing football.
Playing football.
Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Watching movies.
Watching movies.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Singing.
Drawing.
Drawing.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Excellent. Say all again faster.
Reading, playing football, listening to music, watching movies, cooking, dancing, singing, drawing, traveling.
Very nice. Target 3. Talking about your hobbies. Now, let's make full sentences. Repeat after me. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I like playing football.
I like playing football.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
I like watching movies.
I like watching movies.
I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Perfect.
Can I say I love dancing?
Yes, I love dancing. Love is even stronger than like.
Great. I love singing too.
Maybe you can sing for us one day.
Target 4. Mini conversation practice.
Let's practice a short conversation. What do you do in your free time?
I read books. What about you?
I like watching movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice.
Do you play football?
A little, but I watch football a lot.
Me too. Watching football is easier than playing.
Yes, true.
Target 5. Asking and answering questions together. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I cook with my mother.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit many countries.
Excellent. Target 6. Mini game, find the hobby. Let's play a small game. I will describe a hobby, and you guess. I use a ball. I run. I kick. What is it?
Playing football.
Correct. I use colors and paper. I make pictures.
Drawing.
Very good. I stand in the kitchen. I make food.
Cooking.
Yes, you are very good at this game. Okay, your turn, Jillian. You describe.
I use my voice. Sometimes music plays.
Singing.
Correct.
This game helps us think in English. Target 7. Short listening practice. Now listen and try to understand.
Hi, my name is Anna. I have many hobbies. I like cooking and reading. I cook with my mom every weekend. I also read books at night before bed. My favorite book is about travel.
Jillian, what does Anna like to do?
She likes cooking and reading.
Perfect! Where does she cook?
With her mom.
Excellent. Target 8. Talking about other people's hobbies. Let's talk about other people. What does your brother like to do?
My brother likes playing football.
Good. And your mother?
My mother likes cooking and gardening.
Nice. How about your friends?
My best friend likes dancing. She dances very well.
That's wonderful.
Target 9. Speaking Practice Challenge.
Now it's time for your Day 8 Speaking Challenge. Number 1, say your name. Number 2, say 2 or 3 things you like to do. Number 3, ask your friend, what do you like to do in your free time? Example. Hi, I'm Abel. I like reading and watching movies. What do you like to do in your free time?
That's easy. I will try. Hi, I'm Jillian. I like singing and drawing. What do you like to do in your free time?
Perfect! Everyone listening, try this at home. Record your voice or speak in front of a mirror.
That helps a lot. I did that last week and I speak better now.
Great job, Jillian! Practice makes progress. Target 10. Vocabulary Review. Let's review today's words. Repeat after us. Reading.
Reading.
Playing football.
Playing football.
Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Watching movies.
Watching movies.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Singing.
Drawing.
Drawing.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Excellent. Now, use each word in a sentence every day.
Yes, one sentence every day keeps your English strong.
Target 11. Mini Conversation Extension. Jillian, when do you usually do your hobbies?
I listen to music in the evening, I draw on weekends, and I sing every morning in the shower.
That's fun! I watch movies at night before sleeping.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and adventure movies. They make me happy.
Nice. I like cartoons. Easy to understand and fun.
Good choice. Watching English cartoons helps you learn too. Raise waves. Review and motivation. Let's review what we learned today. We talked about hobbies and free time activities, things we like to do when we are not working or studying. We learned to say, I like reading. I like cooking. I love dancing. My brother likes football. My mother likes cooking.
And we played the Find the Hobby game. That was fun.
Yes, remember, learning English can be fun if you practice every day.
Practice, repeat, and speak. That's our rule.
Exactly. That's all for Day 8 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EnglishWaves. New lessons come every day. Keep learning with us.
See you tomorrow for Day 9. We'll learn to talk about places in town.
Bye-bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep speaking English.